Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is my session is future planning part 2. It is very important according to the student point of view, according to the teacher point of view or business point of view. In the previous video we have seen many skills according to future planning one. We can say that we have to analyze ourselves, we have to move forward, we have to set our planning, our goals. But not today. Recently government have uh, federal minister of education have cancelled all the board exams and promoted the students from previous phase to next phase. So today this phase future planning 2 is very important for the students, for all types of students, for FCS, for FSC engineering, for pre-medical, sitting at home and they want to get admission in the reputed well-standard universities of Pakistan, or they want to start their career, they want to build their future. So I want to say that they should completely see this video. This is the motivational video for students and parents who want to move forward according to their mental capability. First, I want to say that there are four types of students who want to take admission in the uh, universities of the Pakistan. First, those students who have extraordinary career, extraordinary marks or A1 marks in their subjects, in their mark sheets, they have to do engineering or computer sciences, software engineering. So I want to suggest them that they should avail the chances in the government universities like UET Texla, UET Lahore, or Islamic International Islamic universities. They should avail the chances in government universities because according to the student point of view, there are better opportunities, there are better resources, there are low financial constraints, financial burden on students, so they can move forwards, they can continue their career in engineering, software engineering, computer sciences, or especially engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, mechatronics. They should, generally these students are brilliant and they have focused according to their purpose of life that they want to. Second students are those students who have who have gotten below average marks. For those students who have strong financial background, that they can avail the chances in private sector universities. But remember me, there is tough competition in private university sectors because fees are already very high. Okay? They have to face tough environments in private university according to resources, according to their subject, and according to professional skills. So they can avail the chances, they should move forward. But remember, they have to planning. The main thing important is that student should not follow the trend. Follow your passion. First thing is try to find the passion for you want to proceed. Don't follow the trend. If you are not interested in engineering, but you have managerial skills, you have accounting skills, then you should move in the direction of management sciences. First is analysis your mindset, analysis yourself where you want to go according to your available resources. Every students are not on the same level according to their resources, according to their finance, according to their family backgrounds. So first, Analysis your mindset, analysis yourself, okay, where you want to go in life, where you want to take admission in which universities, check your resources, and finally don't waste your time in home. No, I pray to Allah to save all of us from coronavirus disease so that we can move forward and can avail success in our fields. याद रखें कि हर फील्ड में कॉम्पिटेंट बंदों की जरूरत है। कुछ स्टूडेंट्स के एक माइंड में बैठ जाता है कि मैंने सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग में जाना है, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में जाना है, सॉफ्ट इंजीनियरिंग है, मैनेजमेंट साइंसेज है, मैकाट्रॉनिक्स है। दूसरी तरफ आ जाएं, लॉज है, एडवोकेट साइड है जिसमें आप अच्छे वकील बन सकते हैं, जज बन सकते हैं। तमाम फील्ड्स में फोर्सेस हैं, आर्म फोर्सेस हैं, टीचिंग प्रोफेशनल हैं, सिमिलरली डिफेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, डिफेंस के इदारे हैं। तमाम फील्ड्स में अच्छे और कॉम्पिटेंट लोगों की ज़रूरत होती है। इसलिए मेरा तमाम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक मैसेज है, कि एक पैगाम है कि आप जिस भी लेवल पर हैं, डोंट डिग्रेड योरसेल्फ। उसी लेवल पर यू हैव टू प्लान योरसेल्फ कि हाउ यू कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड। If you cannot take it in admission in electrical engineering, then you can take admission in natural sciences, in BS applied physics and BS mathematics. Each natural sciences has its own impact on the industry and in life. Remember me, potential is not in the field, potential is always in the person who can take their profession up to the excellence with his passion. So I have written some points according to the future planning for students, that if they want to move forward in their life, they should keep these points in their mind. I have seen many times some parents force their students to study a particular field, to take admission in particular field. No, it is very bad thing. First, student should check his own interest, his own mindset. Then he should take admission in that particular field according to his mindset, according to his available resources, according to his finance, according to the available opportunities. Point number 8, seek better opportunities. I am telling you that you should seek better opportunities. Those students who have extraordinary marks, they should take admission in well standard government university, for example UT Texas or UT Lahore or International Islamic University, and they should select high discipline subjects, high merit subjects according to their mental capability. And second step, those students who are above average, not so extraordinary, they can take admission in natural sciences subjects. Some students have strong financial backgrounds, they have no financial problems, so they can avail the chances in private university sectors. There are many international universities, Homestead, Depa International, my university. They can move forward, but remember me, private university provide you a tough environment to polish you. That those students who are just average students, they can take admission in different diplomas and technical courses. Remember me, don't waste your qualification, don't waste your life, don't waste your career. You should move forward in any discipline, in any field. You can take admission in diploma classes, in associate engineering programs, and those students who are very below standard and just passed their previous grade, they should improve themselves. and they should find opportunities in arts humanities field, including judge, advocate, English literature, Urdu literature, etc. Next thing is we need encouraging motivational friends in our life. So always avoid from discouraging friends or negative person people, because they will make you negative. Always it is a well quote, a man is known by the company he keeps. So your friend, the people surrounding you should be motivational or positive minded person, especially for students. कई ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं बहुत अच्छे कॉम्पिटेंट होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे दारों में बहुत अच्छी ग्रेडिंग से पढ़ होते हैं, लेकिन उनकी कंपनी उनकी फ्रेंडशिप इतनी बैड होती है कि वो बैड कंपनी बैड फ्रेंडशिप किसी गलत इलीगल एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व होती है, और उसका उनको बैड रिजल्ट का सामना करना पड़ता है, और उसमें वो अच्छा स्टूडेंट भी बीच में उसमें उसका नाम भी बीच में आ जाता है, और उसका सारा कैरियर फ्यूचर जो है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है. So it is very necessary to choose positive minded motivational friends to move forward, because you will find difficulties in your professional education, in your professional careers, and those motivational positive minded friends will help you in that field. So you must keep yourself positive to move forward. Next thing is consistency with patience. It is very necessary, because all we know that slow and steady win the race. When you have taken admission in any course regarding electrical engineering, management sciences, computer sciences, software engineering, everything is not easy. Each course is not easy. I have seen many students when they take in admission in a specific discipline, and after 2 or 3 months they left that discipline and started new working in another field. Many students have started spoken foreign language courses. Many students have started freelancing courses. Many students have started software engineering courses. Remember me that slow and steady win the race. First, you have to clear your mindset that according to your mindset, which profession, which field is suitable for you. Then you have to move in that field with patience and humble and with consistency. And it is very necessary for all the students. Next point is learning from the expert. There are many experts regarding every field of the natural sciences, engineering, or in every discipline. You have to learn that subject from that experts. You can gain knowledge from expert, or it is not difficult, especially in current classes, because you can download videos, you can join free classes on the internet, you can see many videos regarding your particular field, but only thing is you should be focused on your subject matter. जिस बंदे का जहन मुंतशिर और डाइवर्स, उसमें मुख्तलिफ ख्यालात आ रहे हैं, यू कैन नॉट डू अ सिंगल थिंग. फर्स्ट यू शुड बी फोकस्ड, और अपनी फील्ड के जो एक्सपर्ट हैं उनसे आप कंसल्ट करें, उनकी वीडियोस देखें कि वो किस लेवल तक गए, और उस लेवल तक आपने मूव करना है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज मूविंग इन टू डायरेक्शन. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि यू हैव मूव इन टू डायरेक्शन. I already told some person starts project A, discipline A, course A, then after 2 or 3 months they stop it and then start project B. After 2 or 3 months, when they find difficulties, they stop it and then they start project 3 or discipline 3. For example, they were in business, they they stop, then they start computer courses, then they stop, then they start foreign language courses. They copy, they are following the trends. They cannot achieve success. You should move into true direction with consistency, with full determination and devotion. Remember me, potential or talent is in that person, in that student, not in that field. Next, we are responsible for efforts, not for result. First, we have to put our efforts with best effort in best way. We have to avail all the available resources to move forward. And then being Muslim, we should put all our matters unto Allah. कि अब मैंने अपने हिस्से का काम कर दिया, अब आगे अल्लाह ताला की ज़ात जो है वो अपने कर्म से मेरे इस पैशन में, मेरे इस फील्ड में और मेरे इस काम में अपना कर्म शामिल करेगी, सो डैट आई कैन अचीव द एक्सीलेंस इन दैट फील्ड. और अल्लाह हैज़ क्रिएटेड इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. तमाम इंसानों के लिए अल्लाह ताला ने इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ रखी. Those students who work hard with devotion, dedication in that field can get excellence in that field. So these are the points. Last thing is, real happiness lies in gratitude. After analysis yourself, after all these things, when you have taken admission in any university, in any organization, according to the resources of your available resources, according to your finance, according to your budget, according to your mental capability, then don't detrust, don't be disappointed. किस डिससेटिस्फाई हो जाते हैं यार, किस यूनिवर्सिटी में हम आ गए, किस डिसिप्लिन में एडमिशन ले लिया. देयर आर मेनी डिस्करेजिंग पीपल. उन सब को छोड़ दें, अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करें कि अल्लाह ताला ने आपको एक अच्छे इदारे में पढ़ने का मौका दिया है. रिसोर्सेज को आप अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन इंप्रूव करें, ठीक है. और इसका अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करने का जो सबसे जो बेस्ट वे, दैट यू शुड हेल्प अदर पर्सन्स who have less knowledge, who have those who have less resources. जब आप किसी अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी में चले जाएं, I have seen that many competent students who are extraordinary in university, they start tuition and coaching classes in their home. This is very best thing. आप किसी की हेल्प करने की नीयत से, you can help other poor students or other students in your area with your effort, skill, time, money and positive suggestions. किसी को गाइडेंस दे के, किसी की काउंसलिंग करके, किसी स्टूडेंट को ट्यूशन एक्स्ट्रा कोचिंग करके, आप किसी की हेल्प करके जब आप उसको आगे मूव करेंगे, तो देन यू विल सी कि अल्लाह ताला आपके कामों में कितनी आसानी करे. So this thing is very important, that real happiness lies in gratitude, that you should support other students, other persons according to your effort, skill, time, money, with positive counseling, with positive mindset, and don't degrade or devalue any student, any person. So these are the future planning session 2. Now I briefly define that this session is especially for the students who are sitting at home. Please don't waste your time in useless activity. First, be disciplined, be regular, plan yourselves, plan your timetable, schedule your day-to-day routine, planning yourself that where you want to go, where you want to take admission in which university of Pakistan. You can prepare an NT test at home, you can revise the previous knowledge of second year of physics, of chemistry, of mathematics, of computer sciences, literature. You can see all these things. You can download many videos of subject experts from the internet. You can polish yourselves. So you should use all the available resources in positive way. Don't waste your time. It is not possible that you should spend all the day in studying. You should schedule your time. You should divide your time portions for education, for prayers, for sports, for other activity, for family matters. But if you want to move forward, you should polish yourselves in your weak areas of the subjects, and then you can move forward. Remember me, many students that they use the internet all the days and they gain nothing from the internet. They see videos A, B, C, games, movies, and they only waste their resources, timing, energy. So at the end, they will gain nothing. So don't blame others and move forward in which particular field you want to move. For any counseling regarding education, regarding universities, those students or those person who are seeing my videos, they can consult me, they can ask me. Okay, I will provide my services as a guidance, as a counseling, with devotion, with honesty, according to your mental capability, according to your finance. But remember, you have to prepare your mindset. You have to remove your mental block. Then you can move forward. Okay, ji. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.